Hey crew, welcome to the Swiss Alps. Man, it was a journey and a half to get here today from Zurich. 3 trains, 2.5 hours, not cheap, but I'm in this little town called Grindlewald and it is sick. I'm about to get on a gondola and go up to Fürst, and there's a little cliff walk you can do up there, which I think should provide for some cool pictures. Man, it was awesome coming here. Like, we went by this lake near Interlaken, and the mountains were reflected perfectly in the lake. It was out of a movie. So I'm gonna go find this gondola and head up to Fürst. I have to say, climbing in that gondola felt like I was getting a little bit closer to heaven, and it was just spectacular. And now I'm at the Fürst Cliff Walk, which is just a little gated fence thing that goes around this cliff. And for as much money as I've paid today, I kind of thought I'd have to pay extra for this, but you don't. It's part of it's just open to everybody that's up here, and it's pretty sweet. This really is pretty cool. It's amazing how one little search on Instagram can lead to 3 hours of travel to get to just a cool spot in the Swiss Alps. Totally worth it though. Man, this place is so epic. I'd love to come back here and spend some more time kind of exploring all the different valleys of the Jungfrau region. But I only had a couple hours today to come do this. So now it's time to take the gondola back to Grindlewald and slowly make my way back to Zurich. This is a pretty awesome day. Totally worthwhile. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Have an awesome day. See you next week. It was not cheap. The trains in Switzerland are not... You're okay?
No,
yeah.
I'm not okay.
You're okay?
No, not at all. Oh, help me.
And now it's time to take the gondola back to the little town. So now it's time to take the gondola back to Grindlewald. Grindlewald?